Sisters for Life. So guys, welcome back to another Sisters for Life video. Today I'm going to show you, guys, I don't know what I'm saying, but today I'm going to do a review on this floor, and I'm going to show you how to make it more stretchy. So guys, I'll be back when I have my ingredients. So guys, I put the back in the container because I don't want to dry off. So let's take it out. I'm going to show you how to make it more scratchy because you know, flour is like putty, but like, okay, so the ingredient you would need is any kind of hand soap, but I prefer this. Let me get a close up on the camera. This Brazil Blossom. It may be backwards on the camera because like, I don't know what's wrong with it, but so guys, this is the slime. I'm gonna do a close up on that slime, guys. So it's really hard. It does not stretch like slime, so zoom out. Oh guys, I want it back in. Alright. So something from the camera. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna grab my pencil, and you may see glue there. I just don't have the ingredient, so I'm gonna make slime on my video one day. So guys, I'm just flattening it out like this. So now I'm gonna do a close up. Well, no, let's just add the hand soap. But first, let's do a thumbnail. So guys, alright, let's get it back into its form. So guys, I'll be back. So guys, I'm back. We have to turn on the light because it's like really hot in here. So guys, let's get our hands up and just add like, that's one. And then you want to grab one of your fingers and just go like spread it. So guys, when you spread it, it may be extra. So just use it for like a hand sanitizer. Cause like, just don't use foam. So then, when you do that, you just want to stretch it and knead it in with the rest of the slime. And you can do anything with it. It may get like this. You want to see? Like I know it's like that right now, but like, let me show you guys. Let me get close up. It may get, alright, so it may get like crumbly and stuff. God, it's for a reason, to make it more stretchy. You may have to add it once in a while, because you know how sometimes you forget to close your slime, like me. Alright, so then you just keep kneading, and guys, look. See, it starts not to get wet anymore, and it starts to get scratchy. You just have to play with it, guys. So guys, this is going to be the end of the video, but first, before we end this, I'm going to do a slime swirl, and there will be fills, so okay, fill, guys. See you next time on Sisters for Life.